viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to add new token in our Binance Smart Chain Wallet, and that token name is TWT. Yes, TWT token is Trust Wallet token and the affiliate with Binance Exchange. So in this video I'm giving to complete information how to add Trust Wallet token and how to find the contract address, and if you need to add this token on other platform like Exodus, Atomic Wallet or any other wallet, so you can use same scenario, which is I'm going to tell you in this video. So please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So viewers, first of all I'm going to open CoinMarketCap, and today we are going to add TWT token or Trust Wallet token in our Binance Smart Chain Wallet. Sometime you need to save your token for long term. You can also use Trust Wallet for saving this token, but today we are going to just add this token in our Binance Smart Chain Wallet. So you can see here CoinMarketCap is open front of me, and this time Bitcoin price is $19,000 plus, and Ethereum price is $1,600 plus. So if we need to check the TWT token rank in top 100 cryptocurrency in CoinMarketCap, so will be shown in rank number almost 60 plus almost. So I'm going to find the rank number. It's not shown here, so yeah, you can see here the shown is 89 number TWT token. The price is 90 70 cent, and in 7 days 1.82% up. So going to click on it if we need to add, and if you need to get more information about this token. So you can see here the new page is open front of me, and click on all. Now you can see here when token launch is TWT, so price is 0.007 and all-time price is almost $1.50, means $1.51. All-time price is high, and today price is 96 cent. So if you need to read the article about TWT token, so you just simple click on it. Trust Wallet token or TWT is simple BIP20 utility token that provides a range of benefits and interest to the Trust Wallet user. Trust Wallet itself is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that support dozens for popular native assets. You can read more information about from this article. And if you need to trade this token, so you can use these exchanges: Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io. And if you need to visit the website or use their own wallet, that name is Trust Wallet. Simple click on trustwallet.com, and you can see here the most trusted and secure crypto wallets. When you are going to create account on Trust Wallet, you must take the backup of your phrases, otherwise you can't recover, restore, import your wallet. So you can see the exchange instantly. You can also use Trust Wallet, but it's depend on you. We just add this token in our Binance Smart Chain Wallet. Simple, again go to the click on Trust Wallet, and you can see here there is shown Binance Smart Chain contract address. Simple click on it, and now you can see here there is shown contract address and also shown decimal. So we need to just copy the contract address If our network and contract address is correct, then decimal automatically will be shown in front of us. So simple click on Binance Smart Chain Wallet. For login, simple enter my password here and click on unlock. Now you can see here this time the network is available or shown the Ethereum network, but we need to add this token in our Binance Smart Chain network. So that first we will select the Binance or BNB Smart Chain network. You can see it shown here, and now the Binance Smart Chain is shown. Simple click on plus button and you can see here they is shown custom assets. I already told you about the contract address. If our contract address and also network is correct, then the all information will be shown on this portion about TWT. So going to paste here contract address. Now as you can see here, the all information shown here is also shown the icon or logo or symbol, trust wallet TWT, the token symbol, and decimal also shown here 18, and balance is 0, and this is the contract address. So it means my contract address and my network is correct, so that all information will be shown here. Okay, so going to click on add assets. And now as you can see here, the TWT token is shown in my Binance Smart Chain Wallet, and we can also use this token in this wallet. You just simple add this token with the contract address. I know you already understand how can you find the contract address of this token. Simple go to the click on bscscan.com or go to the open coin market cap, and then you can easily find the contract address. If you need to deposit on this token, simple click on it, and you can see here there is shown the receive button, and this is your wallet address. Simple copy wallet address and that send that person who want to send the money. But before going to send any amount on this wallet or deposit on any amount on this wallet, you must cross check you have select BIP20 network, otherwise your fund will be lost. Okay, so as I hope you properly understand, so how can you add TWT token or trust wallet token in your Binance Smart Chain Wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.